Well, the National Weather Service says the storm could drop as much as 10 inches of snow in South Jersey. Governor Murphy declared a state of emergency because of the winter weather. New Jersey reporter Anthony Johnson is live in South Toms River with much more on the conditions there. Anthony.
Yeah, you could certainly feel the biting cold out here. Now, we started to get the break in the snow, only a few flurries falling at this point in time, but we certainly do have a couple of inches of snow out here on the grassy surfaces. I just want to take you out to the roadway, though. You can see it is still down to the blacktop, but on some of the secondary roads, you do have to be careful. You can see there's a road crew coming off the Garden State Parkway right now. That roadway looks like it is pretty clear as we are standing here, but just a few miles south, the situation is far worse. The snow has been consistent but not heavy here in South Toms River. It's the kind of weather that can slowly make the roads harder to navigate as they become coated than icy. Everyone is being asked to stay off the roads as much as they can, but Denise has to work to make deliveries and ask customers to be patient.
It's so cold, my hands want to fall off. I'm getting air on my tire.
On a day like today, you couldn't wait till tomorrow?
Nope, I couldn't.
Why not?
Because I have to work and make money.
That makes a lot of sense right there. How's driving out there?
Horrible.
What are conditions like? I mean,
It's really slippery. It's really bad.
The southern and central portions of the Garden State are taking the brunt of the storm, with the most powerful impacts being delivered with big snow accumulations, flooding, and high winds. State officials say things down there could go from bad to worse.
If you don't have to be out, don't go out. If you lose your power because there are high winds, don't assume someone else is calling it in. You should call it in. If you see a down line, don't go near it. Call that in as well.
All good advice from the governor. Now, the governor is going to be having a 4:30 update on this snowstorm. But the situation from here in Ocean County and when you go south gets far, far worse. In some of those areas, they're still expecting another 6 to 10 inches of snow from this storm.